Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are not new here. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that y'all are informed of my next uploads. I wanted to welcome you guys to the ribbon cutting of my extreme home salon makeover. And if y'all are ready, let's do this. I'm so excited. All right. Hi, y'all thought y'all was about to be able to see the room immediately. Nope, y'all gonna have to watch me decorate and put stuff together. Okay, this room, this video, it gave me heck. That's what took so long. For those of you who have been waiting, I appreciate y'all so very much for being so patient with me. But baby, let me tell you, like, nah, it was I definitely enjoyed myself decorating my room. This piece came from At Home, so I shopped at Home and Walmart. So those were my two stores that I shopped at to help decorate my salon. And also my chair I got from Kenneth's. And of course, Amazon. I shopped at Amazon as well. If you want to know where specific pieces are from, please comment below and I will gladly let you know. But I will not be listing a description of everything that is in this room. So please just comment what you want to know and I will gladly let you guys know. I will not be doing a voiceover for this whole entire video. So just sit back and enjoy. Okay, so now we get into what is supposed to be my favorite part. Y'all see those curtains? That purple is bomb. I loved this purple. Okay, this purple was supposed to be the pop of the room, the exciting part of this room. As y'all can see, I was just ripping and opening packages and stuff. And when I purchased these curtains, definitely didn't look at the description of it, as you see, I am, just trying to put the curtains up. Just, trying to figure out, is that the top, is that the bottom? That was the bottom, I guess. I'm just trying to, put the curtain on a rack, okay? Looks like I'm getting it. Okay, we good. I got it, Nope, I don't got it. And then, yep, that's when I noticed I messed up big time, y'all. Like, I was over it, but I had to check to see if the purple ones was the same length. I was so over it. Y'all see I threw the dang on curtain to the ground. And I'm like, let me just try to... I'm so over it. I had to get new curtains, y'all. Couldn't even find the same ones, so I had to switch the colors. The colors are now black and white instead of... Or not black and white. The colors are gray and white for the curtains. So I was a bit salty about that, but it's cool. The room, y'all gonna see how the room turns out anyway. So y'all let me know if y'all like those curtains better or if y'all like the purple ones. Just let me know. Okay, let me stop playing with y'all. Y'all have made it this far. I appreciate y'all. And here is my room. You guys, welcome. Leaky Styling welcomes you. Would you like coffee or tea for my sleepyheads? We have a coat rack for your coat, your purse, or whatever the case may be. I'm not done decorating, but this is, just to show y'all, we have Angelique Passion candles for sale. Okay, get yours. Y'all can smell them. You know what I'm saying? We got the Lysol, Clorox. We got the sanitizer on deck. We got the thermometer. We got the TV. Leaky Styles welcomes you. I love the mirror. Y'all let me know what y'all's favorite part about this room is, please. Okay, you guys, you've made it to the end of this video. I want to thank you so very much for watching and being patient with me. This room has been a long journey and a process, but overall, I am so thankful that I decided to make my second room into my home salon. If you guys like it, please let me know below, and I will see y'all on my next upload.